Survival talk usually skips over one thing that's kind of important: sex. Yes, sis. Even when the world's ending, people are still gonna be nasty. But here's the gag. In an apocalypse, the drugstore ain't gonna be open. No plan B. No urgent care for antibiotics. And no sneaky late night Walgreens run. So today, we're breaking down sexual safety, STD meds, natural backups, and pregnancy prevention tips for when the world goes left. Let's talk about it. In survival mode, sex is more than fun. It's about consent, which always matters, disaster or not. Pregnancy prevention because babies need stability and care. And STD prevention because antibiotics may not be on deck. If you think drama is messy now, imagine trying to raise a newborn while purifying dirty lake water. That's not the move. So protecting yourself sexually is just as important as protecting your food, water, and shelter. First, let's be real. Condoms are queen. Stock them now. They don't expire quickly, and they protect against both STDs and pregnancy. But what if you slip up? Or resources run out? Here's what matters. Antibiotics treat bacterial STDs such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis, while antivirals help with herpes or HIV, but they're harder to store. Natural alternatives. These won't cure you, but in survival they might help soothe symptoms, slow infections, or keep your body stable until real meds are found. Some options include tea tree oil, fights fungus, can ease yeast or bacterial irritation. Oregano oil, powerful antibacterial and antifungal. Garlic, nature's antibiotic, especially against yeast. Goldenseal/berberine, old school antimicrobial. Fir pitch/pine resin, antiseptic especially for sores. Probiotics, helps restore balance downstairs. Aloe vera, calms irritation from outbreaks or itching. Apple cider vinegar, folk remedy for itch/odor balance but can irritate. Coconut oil/caprylic acid, antifungal, helpful for yeast infections and soothing dryness. Cranberry, supports urinary tract health and may help prevent UTIs from turning into a bigger survival nightmare. Now, let's talk prevention. STI and STD prevention include female condoms and male condoms. Birth control methods consist of pills, implants, spermicide, vaginal rings, patches, injections, diaphragms, IUDs, sponges. If you're on them, consider stocking extras. Other methods include withdrawal, removing the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. Fertility awareness methods, tracking ovulation and avoiding sex during fertile days. Emergency contraception, Plan B pills within 72 hours of unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy. Now, let's keep it real. Many of these methods have a shelf life. In an apocalypse, you can't rely on them long term. So prevention is the priority, because carrying a pregnancy when food, shelter, and safety are unstable, that's survival on hard mode. Don't fall for anyone who starts talking about cuddling for warmth, or you could get caught up real easy. Here's the truth. In high-stress times, people crave intimacy. But survival sex can have consequences that last longer than the disaster. So stock up on protective items. Research safe storage of antibiotics, no expiration dates, and learn at least one herbal backup, like how oregano oil or tea tree can help with yeast or BV. Preparation isn't paranoia. It's self-love and body sovereignty. Period. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one thing you'd add to your survival go bag for sexual safety? And as always, stay safe, stay spicy, and keep your body yours. Love you, sis.